Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um it's really been a while, and basically we're going to be doing a breakdown of this very old hymn, In Christ Alone. In Christ Alone, so we're doing on F. So now we are going to be using um static melody reharmonization and also the chromatic at the same time. Now the static reharmonization is for the melody, while the chromatic is for your left hand. So you can have, now we're harmonizing, we're harmonizing this note, but now we are going to be moving chromatic from you get. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So from your 3, so before we now continue, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so, and also check out my loop pack and my beginners course in the description below. A lot of you have not gotten that pack, and then I don't want that pack to waste like that. My beginners course is also out for sale. You can check it and make purchase and access the course. If you are also watching this video and you've accessed the course, please, I know that for everyone that accessed that course, they have me on WhatsApp, so send me a review of how your growth process has been. I really love to hear, because I know that course has actually been of great help to a lot of piano players. So drop me a review on WhatsApp. Yeah. So back to this now. So let's go. So this is it. This is the movement. I'll do it again. So basically this is everything. So now let's break down this melody and reharmonization. So first thing I did was, you can do it like this. Or also, before we even continue, shout out to Daniel the Great. Daniel the Great played this stuff, not exactly like this though, but he played this stuff some years ago. I couldn't breathe. So shout out to Danny the Great for this beautiful, crazy reharmonization piece. So you can do sorry. So let me slow that down. In Christ alone. Again. In Christ alone. So now you can do it like, sorry, okay, or you can do, sorry, then my hope is. Now you can even use this for other song to end the song. So basically, so you can just do it like, you can even do like, yeah. So now you have to maintain your one. Yeah. So in castle, right? My hope is first chord. So on your left hand you have A and E. On your right hand you have G, A, B, D, and G. So my hope is found. You see it? First chord, second chord. You have your A flat, E flat on your left hand. On your right hand you have G, C, C sharp, and G. So my hope is found, right? Second, third chord, which is your normal 2. Or you can do, yeah. Let me see. Let's let's try this. So this is G, D, and F on your left hand. On your right hand, I have this slow from B and from E flat to E. So, but you have B, E, and G. So you have this slow from E flat. You have next chord is this. Oh, yeah, but I think I'll go with this. So, you have F sharp, C sharp, and E on your left hand. On your right hand, you have G, E flat, and G, B flat, E flat, and G. So let's go from the top now. Then the next chord. I love this chord. So now your left hand is playing F and E flat. Your right hand is playing A, D, and G. Yeah. So now we have conquered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So right. Next chord. At first, I think I played the normal 5, but I think while I was teaching now, inspiration of this chord came. Yeah. So next chord, you have E, B, and F sharp. On your right hand, you have this same chord we played the other time: G, A, B, D, and G. So you have this. So yeah. Then the next chord, you have this, which is your flat 7. You get, so you have C sharp, hey god, what's a C sharp? D sharp, which is E flat, B flat. You can play it like this if you want, or anyone, but I just prefer play like this. So on your right hand rather, you have G, B flat, D, and G. Right. So let's go from the top. Funny how you can actually end here, but we still have, if you want to extend. So next chord after this next chord is, which is your 6/5. So the chord for this is D, A, then I stack this E and F, right? So you have something like this on your left hand. On your right hand you have 0, 2, or yeah. So from the top, the next chord you have D flat. So D flat on your left hand, you just have D flat, which is C sharp, and then you have this B, E flat, and G. So you have, right? Then last chord is your 5. So now this is like, in Christ alone my hope is found, right? But now my hope is found. So this is 5. Left hand, I just hit my 5. On my right hand I have F, G, B flat, D, and G. So my hands are this long. Wow. So let's just go from the beginning. In Christ alone my hope is found. So is my that same chord. So is my, so I'm doing is my strength, my song. So now let's play it from the beginning. Mind you, this is not for worship session. This is just for stretch. Now, let me just give you one simple expo. Very, very simple expo. And this is one of my secrets while playing. Talking about secrets now, I just remember that I'm already working on my intermediate course, the continuation of the beginners, and that will be out very soon. I'll keep you guys posted. So you can play a 6-2-5-1, or rather, let's say, yes, since we can say 6-2, right? 6-2-5-1. We have 6-2. Now instead of playing the 2 now as this, try to substitution. So we have 6-2-5-1 4, or try 6-2-5, try to substitution 1 and 4. So you can have I love you, Jesus. I worship you. So instead of doing this now, I'm doing this, but I can still do this. So So basically, this is everything for this lesson. These are basic things like understanding how to reharmonize one note. Yeah. So that's it. So thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Please do well to subscribe if you haven't, and also turn on your notification to receive lessons that I'll be dropping and band camps. I'm going to be dropping a series and different series of my camps. This year I'm going to be sharing so many moments of my church and my life play with you guys, and I'm also going to be open to break down some of the things I do in this, because the play life is different most times, because you especially when it has to do with church, you're in a particular atmosphere, and being inspired to do a lot. When I mean a lot now, it might not be a lot per se, but inspired to do certain things that can inspire others also. So basically, this is everything for this lesson. Yeah. So see you guys next time. God bless you. Cheers.